Hey everyone, it's great to be here with you. We're all super busy juggling work, family, and everything in between. But guess what? It doesn't have to be chaos all the time. I've picked up some seriously clever parenting hacks along the way, and trust me, they're about to change your life. So if you're ready to ditch the parenting overwhelm and unlock some seriously awesome shortcuts, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right in. Let's be real. Getting a healthy dinner on the table every night can feel like a Herculean effort, am I right? But before you surrender to takeout menus, I've got a game changer for you: meal prepping. One of my favorite tricks is to double or even triple your recipes. Leftovers are your secret weapon. Make a big batch of spaghetti sauce, then use it for pasta one night, stuffed peppers the next, and even pizza toppings later in the week. Boom, 3 meals, minimal effort. Another lifesaver is pre-chopping veggies. On Sunday, while you're catching up on your favorite show, chop up some carrots, celery, peppers. Store them in clear containers in the fridge so they're ready to grab and go for snacks or to toss into a stir-fry. And don't underestimate the power of a well-stocked freezer. Frozen fruits and veggies are your best friends. Mornings in my house used to be like a scene from a slapstick comedy, but not the funny kind. Shoes were missing, backpacks were MIA, and let's not even talk about the breakfast battles. First up, prep the night before, like a superhero preparing for battle. Lay out clothes the night before, and I mean everything: socks, shoes, the works. Pack lunches, and if your kids are old enough, get them in on the action too. Next, create a visual schedule with pictures to help even the littlest ones stay on track. Overnight oats are a lifesaver. Just assemble the night before and they're ready to grab and go in the morning. Or set up a breakfast burrito bar on the weekend and freeze them. Okay, let's talk screen time. It's a hot topic for parents, right? But instead of battling over it, how about harnessing the power of technology for good? Tech can actually be a fantastic educational tool. First things first, set some healthy boundaries. Designate specific times for educational screen time and stick to them. And choose apps and websites that are both fun and educational. There are amazing apps out there that teach kids about everything from coding to geography through interactive games and stories. Don't forget about the incredible world of documentaries. Streaming platforms are bursting with fascinating documentaries that can take your kids on virtual adventures. Soccer practice, piano lessons, school projects, oh my! Keeping track of everyone's schedules can feel like a full-time job. But fear not, my friends, because I'm about to share my secret weapon: the mighty family calendar. Ditch the multiple calendars and sticky notes scattered everywhere. Choose one central hub for everything: a digital calendar, a whiteboard, a giant wall calendar, whatever works best for your family. Get everyone involved. Assign each family member a different colored marker or create separate digital calendars for each person. This way, everyone can clearly see their own activities and appointments at a glance. Don't forget to schedule in some downtime. Yes, even fun needs to be scheduled sometimes. We've all been there, the endless struggle to get kids excited about chores. But what if I told you there are ways to transform chore time from a dreaded chore to, dare I say, fun? First, turn up the music. Crank up some tunes while you tidy up. Create a playlist together and watch as even the most mundane tasks become a dance party. Make it a game. Set a timer and challenge your kids to see who can complete their chores the fastest. Or try a chore jar. Write down different chores on slips of paper and have kids pick one out randomly. The element of surprise keeps things interesting. And here's a secret weapon: positive reinforcement. Create a reward system for completing chores. And there you have it. Quick, easy, and dare I say, even fun parenting hacks that can seriously simplify your life. Remember, meal prepping is your secret weapon against dinner stress. Morning routines can be transformed with a little planning, and technology can be your educational ally. Don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for your family. The most important thing is to find joy in the chaos and cherish those precious moments with your loved ones. If you enjoyed these hacks, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more fun and practical parenting tips.